So we're going to have a card selected. Okay, let's just say it's this one. So you've selected this card, okay, from a standard deck. Standard deck of 52 cards. I'll show you the cards, look. It's just an ordinary deck of 52 cards. So there's your card that you need to remember, and hopefully you'll see it again at the end. We're going to put your card down on the table for now, and we're going to have yet another card selected. Let's say this one. Give you one last look at that card before that is also placed down alongside this one to the table, before the deck is cut. The two cards are placed adjacent to one another in the middle like that, and we're good to go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the tops and the bottoms of some of the cards on the deck, like this, so you know neither of those cards are on the top or the bottom of the deck, right? Now you might think, well, why do we need to know that the cards are not on the top of on the bottom of the deck? We already know they're not on the top or the bottom of the deck, and that's perfectly true. But here's the thing, I discovered something some years ago about the power of imagination. In my imagination, I'm going to take this deck and I'm going to take out of the deck an imaginary deck. Okay, so this is the real deck, as you can see, but here there is an invisible imaginary deck. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the imaginary deck into two halves. But in my imagination, I'm very good at cutting cards. I'm so good I can cut them at the point in the centre where the two adjacent cards were placed, which means that on the top of this half of the imaginary deck is one of the selected cards, and on the bottom of this half of the imaginary deck is the other selected card. So if I complete the cut like this, now we have an imaginary deck of cards that has one of the selected cards at the top and the other selected card at the bottom. And what I discovered is, if I join the imaginary deck with the actual deck, the amazing thing is that then on the top of the deck is one of your selected cards, and on the bottom of the deck is the other one of your selected cards. Okay, thank you for watching this this trick. I hope you enjoyed it. I am willing to actually there is a little bit of a tutorial I could do with certain things to do with this trick, which I might do. I was going to do it immediately after the video, but I don't think I'm in the frame of mind at the moment. But put comments in the bottom if you're interested in anything to do with it. And there is a kind of a sleight that I kind of, as far as I know, invented. It's a bit of a messy sleight, but it's a sleight all the same, and it seems to work. And I can do a tutorial for that. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, and as I say, I may do a tutorial if anybody needs a tutorial. So take care, all the best, see you in the next video.